All right, now I'm going to need a bunch of paper towels. Okay, so I have this bag with the tissue set aside. Okay, and what I'm going to do is set a couple paper towels down on my table. Okay, I'm going to keep gloves on. I'm going to take all of the tools that I used and set them on the paper towel. Okay, everything that I used goes on the paper towel. Okay. Now, remember the large bag that you had that you put the tray in the first time? What I'm going to do is open this up, and I'm going to put the tray back in here. Okay. I'm going to take the eye with all of the pieces. I'm going to set that in here on top of the tray. I'm going to set that aside for right now. Okay. And then remember we had all of these wipes, right? What I'm going to do is I need to carefully clean these. All right, so I was the dissecting partner, so I have gloves on. Remember, these were used in the dissection, so they I should keep my gloves on at this point. Okay, so I'm going to wipe off this dissecting tool. Now, the person who did not do the dissection, okay, they are going to, and they can choose to wear gloves or not. They were not dissecting. For this point, that's up to them still, because I just wiped that all off. They're going to take a second wipe, okay, because their gloves are not contaminated with anything. They're going to wipe off the tool again, and then, okay, take a dry paper towel and dry each tool, okay? And as the tool has been cleaned and dried, remember the basket did not have anything that was used in it. I'm going to set the scissors, that's what I did first, into the basket, okay? So let me just go through that process again. So me, the dissecting partner, I'm going to take the tool and I'm going to clean it off. All right, then I'm going to hand it to my non-dissecting partner, who's going to use a different wipe off the tool. Okay, now notice I'm reusing the wipes because you don't need to get a new one unless it gets torn up or dries out or is very dirty. And then I am going to, as the non-dissecting partner, dry off with a paper towel. Notice I'm reusing the paper towel, as I should. And then I'm going to place that into the basket where the clean stuff came from in the beginning. All right, and each tool, I'm going to show you just one more, and then we will come back after I complete the process. So me, the dissecting partner, I wipe it off one time. Non-dissecting partner, different wipe, they clean it off. Non-dissecting partner uses a dry paper towel. If the dry paper towel gets damp, go get a new one and put that in the basket. Okay, I just want to give you one tip about the scalpel. Please, it's sharp, so be careful. So we're just going to wipe this way. I'm going to slide my hand across the sharp end. I'm just going to wipe across this way, but not forgetting the handle. I just don't want to ever grab this part. Don't do that. So I'm going to wipe off the handle and then kind of up this way. All right, and then the non-dissecting partner with a different wipe. They're not using the same wipe. And then very careful drying the scalpel. This is the one that is most likely to rust. Okay, so dry this off, put it in the basket. And you're going to continue with these. These are my remaining tools that I need to do. And also the pins. Okay, so and what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump these pins out because I also need to do this container. So I need to do the container and each pin individually. Okay, so you're going to do this until you have all of your tools completed.